Being petite and over 40 doesn't mean giving up on style. It means getting smarter about it. Today, I'm sharing 7 ridiculously simple tricks that'll make you look taller and more polished instantly. The secret about pants length? It shocks everyone. These tips take 0 effort but make a massive difference. Let's make getting dressed easy again. Number 1. Master the magic ratio. Here's something nobody tells petite women. Where your top ends completely changes how tall you look. When your shirt, sweater, or jacket is too long, like hitting below your hips, it makes your legs look super short. It's like your body is all torso and no legs. Not the look we're going for. Think about it. If you're wearing a long tunic that goes down to your thighs, you've only got a little bit of leg showing. That makes your whole body look shorter and stockier. The same thing happens with those super long cardigans that everyone loves. They might be cozy, but they're chopping you in half and making you look way shorter than you actually are. It's basically like wearing a sign that says, "Look how short my legs are." And we definitely don't want that. The solution? Here's the magic rule that'll change everything. 1/3 top, 2/3 bottom. This sounds complicated, but it's actually super easy. Your top should end around your belly button, or just below it. That's it. When your top stops there, it means your bottom half, your legs, looks way longer. You're showing more leg, which makes you look taller. It's that simple. Here are some easy ways to make this work. Tuck your shirts in. When you tuck a blouse or t-shirt into your pants or skirt, you automatically create this ratio. Your top ends at your waist and boom, long legs. Wear crop jackets and cardigans. Those short cardigans that end right at your waist? Perfect. They're made for this ratio. Choose shorter tops. When shopping, pick tops that naturally hit at or above your hips. If everything seems too long, just tuck it in. High-waisted everything. When you wear high-waisted pants or skirts, they come up to your natural waist. Pair them with a shorter top, and you've got the perfect ratio without even trying. The difference this one simple change makes is incredible. You'll look taller, leaner, and way more put together. All from just paying attention to where your tops end. Number 2. Wear the same color head to toe. When you wear lots of different colors in one outfit, your body gets visually chopped into sections. A blue top, brown belt, black pants, tan shoes. That's 4 different color blocks breaking up your body. Each time there's a color change, it creates a horizontal line across your body. And horizontal lines make you look wider and shorter. It's like putting speed bumps all over your outfit. Your eye stops at each color change instead of flowing smoothly up and down. That stopping and starting makes you appear shorter than you really are. Plus, when you're wearing lots of colors, it can look busy and messy. After 40, we want to look polished and sophisticated, not all over the place. The solution? Wear one color from head to toe. This is called monochromatic dressing. But don't let the fancy name scare you. It's super simple. When you wear all one color, there are no breaks or stopping points. Your eye travels smoothly from your head to your toes in one long line. That uninterrupted line makes you look so much taller. It doesn't have to be all black, although black is amazing for this. You can do all navy blue, all cream or beige, all gray, all burgundy, all camel or tan, all white, yes, even after Labor Day. But won't I look boring? Not at all. Here's why. You can mix different shades of the same color. Light blue top with darker blue pants? Perfect. That still counts as monochromatic. Different textures keep it interesting. A silk navy blouse with navy cotton pants looks rich and sophisticated. Not boring. You can add one small pop of a different color with accessories, like a different colored scarf or bag, if you want. But keeping everything in one color family is the easiest way to look instantly taller. Pro tip: start with black or navy. These colors are easy to find and match, plus they're slimming. Once you get comfortable, branch out to other colors. This trick is honestly life-changing. One color head to toe, and you look like you've grown 3 inches. Number 3. Stop wearing skinny jeans. I know skinny jeans have been everywhere for years, but here's the truth. They're actually not great for petite women, especially after 40. Skinny jeans are super tight and fitted all the way down your leg. They show exactly where your leg ends. There's no mystery, no illusion. Everyone can see that your legs are on the shorter side. It's like putting an outline around your legs and saying, "Look, here's exactly how long they are." We don't want that kind of attention on the length of our legs. Plus, skinny jeans can make your legs look like little sticks, which throws off your whole body proportion. If you've got a regular size top half and stick-thin bottom half, it doesn't look balanced. And let's be real, after 40, a lot of us have found that skinny jeans just aren't as comfortable as they used to be. Why squeeze into something uncomfortable that doesn't even make us look taller? The solution? Switch to these 4 amazing pant styles instead. Straight leg jeans. These go straight down from your hip to your ankle. They're not tight, not flared, just straight. They look modern and sleek. Wide leg pants. These are looser and flow nicely. They create a long, elegant line and give you visual mystery about where your leg actually ends. Bootcut jeans. These are fitted through the thigh and then flare out slightly at the bottom. They balance your proportions beautifully. Flared pants. These flare out more than bootcut. They're retro and stylish and make your legs look longer. The best part? These styles are way more comfortable than skinny jeans. You can actually breathe and move freely. And they look more sophisticated and age-appropriate after 40. When you switch from skinny jeans to one of these styles, the difference is immediate. You look taller, more elegant, and more put together. Try it and you'll never go back. Number 4. High-waisted is everything. Low-rise pants were huge in the 2000s, and some people still wear them. But if you're petite and over 40, they're doing you zero favors. Low-rise pants sit way below your natural waist, like at your hip bones. This creates a super short torso and makes your legs look stumpy and short. It cuts you at the widest part of your body, your hips, which creates a horizontal line right where you don't want one. That line makes you look wider and shorter. Plus, low-rise pants often give you that muffin top thing where your skin spills over the waistband. Nobody wants that, especially after 40 when our bodies have changed a bit. And here's the kicker. Low-rise pants make getting dressed harder because nothing stays tucked in. Your shirt keeps riding up, and you're constantly adjusting. Who has time for that? The solution? Always, and I mean always, choose high-rise or mid-rise pants. High-rise pants sit right at your natural waist, where you bend when you lean to the side. This is usually around your belly button. Mid-rise pants sit just slightly below your natural waist, but still above your hip bones. Why are these so much better? They make your legs look longer. When your pants start higher up, it means more of your body is legs. Simple math. And it makes you look taller. They smooth your middle. High-waisted pants hold everything in nicely and give you a smooth silhouette. No muffin top, no bulges. They stay put. You can actually move around without constantly pulling your pants up or your shirt down. They look more polished. High-waisted pants just look more sophisticated and put together, which is perfect for women our age. Here's how to make them work. Pair high-waisted pants with a shorter top. Remember that 1/3 to 2/3 ratio from point number 1. Tuck your top in or wear a cropped style. The result? Long legs, smooth middle, and you look like you've got your life together. What's not to love? This is one of those changes that makes an instant difference. Once you switch to high-rise, you'll wonder why you ever wore anything else. Number 5. Put your statement pieces up top, not down below. A lot of women love statement shoes. Bright red heels, sparkly sandals, shoes with big buckles or patterns. They're fun and eye-catching. But here's the problem. When you wear statement shoes, everyone's eyes go straight to your feet. Their gaze travels down to the ground. And when people are looking down, you look shorter. It's that simple. Same thing with bold-colored shoes or shoes with lots of details. They create a visual stop sign at your feet. Instead of your eye traveling smoothly up your body, it stops at those attention-grabbing shoes. It's like putting a flashing neon sign at the lowest point of your body and saying, "Look here." Not helpful when we're trying to look taller. The solution? Move your statement pieces to the top half of your body instead. Wear amazing jewelry near your face. Statement necklaces, bold earrings, beautiful scarves, eye-catching brooches. When you wear interesting accessories near your neckline and face, people's eyes naturally travel upward. Their gaze goes up. And that makes you look taller. It's like putting a spotlight on your face and drawing everyone's attention upward instead of downward. Plus, jewelry and scarves frame your face beautifully. At 40+, we want people noticing our faces, our smiles, our eyes, not our feet. What about shoes? You can still have beautiful shoes. Just keep them more neutral and understated. Think nude heels, simple black pumps, tan flats, neutral toned sandals. These shoes are elegant and sophisticated without stealing the show. They do their job, making your legs look good, without fighting for attention. The rule is simple. One statement piece per outfit, and put it near your face, not near your feet. This shift is so easy but makes such a big difference. You'll look taller, more polished, and people will actually remember your face, not just your shoes. Number 6. Nude shoes are pure magic. Dark shoes, especially black shoes with dresses or skirts, create a harsh, heavy line at your feet. When you wear a dress with black shoes, it's like drawing a thick black line that says, the leg ends here. Your eye stops right at that line. That stopping point makes your legs look shorter than they really are. The dark color is so different from your skin that it creates an obvious break. It's the same with bright colored shoes. Red shoes, blue shoes, yellow shoes. They all create that stopping point that makes you look shorter. With skirts and dresses especially, dark shoes can look clunky and heavy. They weigh down the whole outfit visually. The solution? Nude shoes are your secret weapon for looking instantly taller. When you wear shoes that match your skin tone, something magical happens. Your legs seem to go on forever. There's no harsh stopping point. Your skin flows right into your shoes, creating one long, continuous line. That unbroken line makes you look so much taller. How to find the right nude? Everyone's skin is different, so nude means different things for different people. Your nude should be close to your actual skin tone. For lighter skin, look for beige, tan, or light camel for medium skin. Try camel, taupe, or warm tan for darker skin. Look for deeper tan, cognac, or bronze. Don't be afraid to try on different shades to find your perfect match. When to use this trick? With any dress or skirt, this is where nude shoes really shine. With cropped pants with shorts basically anytime your legs are showing. The one exception. When you're wearing full-length dark pants, you can wear dark shoes. A black pant with a black shoe works great, because you're creating that uninterrupted line in a different way. But for everything else, reach for your nude shoes and watch how much taller you instantly look. This is honestly one of the easiest tricks to make yourself look taller. Get one good pair of nude heels and one pair of nude flats and you're set. You'll use them constantly. Number 7. Long pants, not cropped. This surprises everyone. So many petite women think cropped pants are perfect for them. They're shorter, so shorter pants make sense, right? Wrong. Cropped pants and ankle-length pants actually make you look shorter. Here's why. They create a harsh horizontal line right across your leg, usually at the widest part of your calf. That line chops your leg visually and makes it look shorter than it really is. It's like stopping a sentence right in the middle. Your leg looks incomplete, cut off before it's done. Cropped pants basically announce exactly where your leg ends. There's no mystery, no illusion. Everyone can see that you've got shorter legs. Plus, cropped pants often leave an awkward gap between where the pants end and where your shoes start. That gap breaks up the line and makes you look choppy and shorter. The solution? Wear full-length pants instead. And I mean full length. Your pants should come all the way down to the top of your shoes. They should almost touch the floor. When you're wearing heels, they should just barely graze the top of your toes. But won't I trip? No. When they're fitted correctly, they move with you beautifully. Why this works so well? Full-length pants create one uninterrupted line from your waist all the way to the floor. That continuous line makes your legs look as long as possible. There's no chopping, no breaking, no stopping points. Just one smooth, elegant line that makes you look taller. How to get the perfect length? Try on pants with the shoes you'll wear most often. Probably heels or wedges for the most flattering look. The pants should just touch the top of your shoes with maybe a tiny break or fold at the ankle. If they're bunching a lot, they're too long. If they're showing your ankles, they're too short. The best pant styles in full length. High-waisted wide-leg pants, the most flattering. High-waisted straight-leg pants. High-waisted bootcut pants. When you combine full-length pants plus high waist plus nude or matching shoes, you've created the ultimate height-boosting outfit. What about summer? I know crop pants are popular in summer because they're cooler. If you must wear them, keep them for casual days. But remember, full length is always more flattering if looking taller is your goal. This one change, switching from crop to full length, makes such a dramatic difference. Women are always shocked when they see how much taller they look. There you have it. 7 simple secrets that'll make you look taller and more polished after 40. Start with just one change today and see the difference. You're going to look amazing. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. And do let us know what should we cover next.